A dog may be man's best friend, but man is not always a dog's. Over the centuries, dash breeding has pulled at the canine body shape to produce what is often a grotesque distortion of the underlying wolf. So dash breeding, what we have is discerning, choose, selective, concerning. So selective breeding is a term in science, so we'll go with that. Selective breeding, it's actually a process in which animals are crossbred. So there are centers in which breeding takes place across different animal, um, what is it called there, breeds, so that to get the required traits. So that is called selective breeding. And then they say, indeed, some of these distortions are regarded as dash. So these distortions are means plural, regarded as pathologies, anatomy, cytology, ecology. So there were these distortions are regarded as, not referred to as. When we say referred to, then we use the term after that, but we don't need a term, we need plural again. So these distortions are regarded as pathologies because distortions were plural. Dog breeding does offer a chance to those who would like to understand how body shape is controlled. The dash of pedigree pooches is well recorded. So pedigree pooches is again a term. You can note down the vocabulary that we have in this question. Pedigree pooches means it is particularly used in a dog's perspective. So when the ancestors of the dog are purely of the same breed, they haven't crossbred with any other breed, that is known as pedigree pooches, and it is always about ancestors. So we'll say origin, ancestry, descent, or stock. Now we'll go with ancestry, means the ancestors. They are well recorded, their generation time is short, and their dash size reasonably large. So we are talking about dogs. It will be litter, wash, trash, and garbage. No, litter means group of young ones they give birth to, like 8 puppies, 10 puppies. So their litter size means the number of puppies that they give birth to is large, because garbage, trash, or wash doesn't make sense with size. Say litter size is large, so there is plenty of material to work with. Moreover, breeds are inbred, and this simplifies genetic analysis. Those such as this of America's This Institute, who wish to identify the genetic basis of the features of particular pedigrees, thus have an ideal dash animal. Ideal new trial tentative experiment, but because we're talking about research, so obviously they will have an ideal experimental animal. Means whatever they want to do research on, they want to understand the genetic basis of the features, then dog will be the ideal experimental animal for them.